Hi guys, welcome to another week of Meals of the Week. I've got 2 slices of toast here. These are from a 400-gram loaf and 2 fried eggs done in Frylight. And for lunch today we've got a mixed salad, jacket potato, and we've got some ham here at the back. And I've dressed it with some low-calorie Heinz salad cream. Oh, and this here is roasted pepper, red pepper. Hi guys, for dinner tonight we've got new Jersey potatoes, green beans, broccoli, 2 steak burgers and some stilton. Hi guys, this is what we're having for brunch. Good morning, and for breakfast today got 2 pieces of toast from 400-gram loaf, cheese allowance, some strawberries and some blueberries. That's my speedy. We've got, this is leftover vegetables from yesterday's dinner, which I've made into a bubble and squeak, and this is a no meat chicken Kiev, so it's like it's corn, that type of vegetarian thing. Good morning. For breakfast today I have got beans on toast. So this is wholemeal toast with 400-gram size loaf with baked beans and as you can see, a little wiggle of brown sauce. And then I've got some watermelon. Hi my love, so for lunch today, bread from 400-gram loaf. I've got ham and Branston sandwiches and some tomato and coleslaw on the side. These little bits of ham here for my dogs as a little treat. Hi, so for dinner tonight we have got curried chicken with boiled rice, which I've put some, as you can see, some mixed vegetables in, and under here I've got tomato, rocket and cucumber with a bit of salad cream on. But this, the whole of the rice and the chicken, is something that I previously cooked. When I actually made a batch of this, I made too much, sort of deliberately, just so that I could freeze some. So once again, I could just get it out the freezer and then just cook it out. First this morning is a small roll, which has been toasted without any butter, and some bacon medallions and a couple of eggs that have been done in Frylight, and some brown sauce, salt and pepper on the top. So we're just having our breakfast, and as part of our breakfast we've got some strawberries. Look, I mean obviously I've taken a bite out of it, but look how big these strawberries are. They're delicious. Hi, for breakfast today we've got fresh strawberries, fresh pear and fat-free strawberry yoghurt. Can't wait to get stuck into this. So I have done a really lovely lunch today. I've done hash browns, a little tiny bit of cornbread left over, some really lovely ham, egg and baked beans, boiled rice, homemade chilli and grated cheese on the top. So for breakfast today guys, we have got oven baked oats with strawberries and strawberry yoghurt. Got a lovely roast today. Got pork chops, roast potatoes, peas, sweet corn, Brussels sprouts and gravy. I cannot wait to get stuck in. Oh, and just to let you know guys, I maintained at Slim About this week, so I haven't gained and I haven't lost. And this is my last meal of the week. So I've got cheese and pickle sandwiches without any spreads inside from 400-gram loaf, and tomato, grapes and a pear. Thank you for watching.